Whirl. Yes, Whirl is very talkative. These two kitty cats coming to us from Front Street Animal Shelter, and once they reach 2 pounds, they're going to be up for adoption. Whirl, Whirl is so talkative. Whirl has lots to say. So let's go ahead and start off by talking about this thing that I didn't even realize existed. It's called CSD, cat scratch disease.
Right, cat scratch disease or cat scratch fever, like most people know it as.
And so what happens? You have a little kitty cat, it scratches you, and what happens that's different than a regular person or a regular cat scratches you?
Right, we want to make sure people who are immunocompromised are especially higher risk, but most of the kittens, and especially the strays and the smaller kittens, are more prone to carrying this organism. They are carriers. They may not even show any symptoms. They may be perfectly healthy kittens, but once the kitty cat scratches you, or it can come from fleas, if the flea carries it and bites you, they think there may be a mode of transmission that way as well.
Okay, got it. So you start recognizing what on your skin?
Well, sometimes there's like a red marks going up your arm if your kitty scratches you or bites you that's carrying the disease. And in the worst case scenario, people get conjunctivitis and swollen lymph nodes. You need to make sure you go to the doctor to be taken care of.
So if you realize that this is something that your kitty cat is carrying, it's very important to get your kitty cat to the vet right away. They can go on some antibiotics, correct?
Right, and a lot of the kitty cats that have these chronic upper respiratory infections, chronic eye disease, runny noses, or just kind of poor doers, we recommend that they get tested for that as well.
Absolutely, and so the testing, pretty simple,
Yep, pretty simple. Blood testing usually is the way to go. Some people actually recommend blood cultures, and in people they actually do that as well. But they need to go on specific antibiotics, usually doxycycline or azithromycin, like Zithromax for people. And then there's a host of some other ones that are out there as well. It's a pretty tough organism, so it takes a long time. The usually suggested treatment is about 20 to 30 days.
And most people might not even realize it's something that they could be suffering from. You get a scratch from your cat, which is pretty common when you have a little kitty cat. They've got those sharp claws, so it is important to make sure that you're trimming your kitty cat's claws. That's going to really help a lot. And then what are these things that you've brought in, some natural supplements for the kitties?
Well, especially when you adopt little kitties, they're stressed out, and so I like to recommend some of the more natural immune system builders so that they're healthy and strong, making that change when they go into a new home, giving them things like drops or tablets. There's Chinese herbals, there's actually mycoforte is a mushroom extract, or DMG. They'll all help build the immune system so that your kitty will stay healthy.
Healthy and very vocal. Thank you so much for coming in, Dr. Jill. Always a pleasure. And let's get you the information. If you want to schedule an appointment with Dr. Jill, she is so helpful. You can check out her website. It's drjilljyl.com, or give her a call. The number's there on your screen, 916-989-0738. Christiane, over to you.